Hello, welcome back to the channel. Flip shot. This is going to be backwards because I'm using the front facing camera. So we don't want to get involved in painting the roof at the moment. First I want to get involved in finishing off the rear of my Defender before we start doing this. There's going to be a lot of dust from the Defender, so we don't want to start that. We can find out why these side lights don't work.
Yeah. We'll look through the fuses.
Them all good.
Look good.
Well, that's bad news. I was hoping it'd be a fuse. Air suspension, we think it's the pump. Front spots, them can come off. We can get the screw out of the tyre. We can get the wheels off and start them, but that's more rubbing down and painting. So realistically, we want to wait until the Defender is painted, which I'm going to get in and try and sand a bit down today. You need to write pump on there, Dad.
Pump?
Yeah. Pump and stink. So we need a pump. So I think the next thing to do is investigate why these side lights aren't working, because that's obviously the MOT file. It wasn't on the last MOT, so it's obviously just happened. But all the side lights are not working. If it was just one, obviously you'd think bulb. 4 bulbs going at the same time is probably not going to happen. So we'll look into that and we'll show you what we're doing. So let's check what's going on with these side lights. We're just going to check if the dash lights and that work as well. Is that ignition on?
No, it's because the key's in.
Oh. So if you turn the dash lights on and see if they come on, we want to know exactly what. No dash lights. So this is a problem. I've looked on Google and everybody says no side lights, no dash lights. So I'm just going to have another look and find out exactly what it was about, see what we've got to do to try and fix this, and then we'll show you. So the first thing to do, obviously, with lights is check the fuses. I've just had a quick look on Google and everybody reckons it could be the fuse box when you've had water in. Yeah, because you've got the fuse box underneath, and when water comes down through the sunroof, which this had a leaky sunroof, as we said, because it had a tarp over it, you get water on the inside, it rusts the back of the fuse box, it causes all sorts of problems. If you look back on our videos, you'll see the one where the indicators didn't work, and also we had B flashing on the dashboard, and that was get off. That was because there's 2 down here. That was because water got in the fuse box. We got it out, we electrical cleaned it, we got a toothbrush on it, and it fixed all our problems, so we were super lucky with that one. This one now, we're just going to get in all the fuses and check what they're doing. So we'll turn our multimeter to the noisy one, and it'll beep when we've got a connection, and then we'll go through the fuses. That one works. Everybody wishes it's a fuse, but it never normally is. But it's worth checking before you start stripping bits down. All them fuses work, so it doesn't look like it's anything in this fuse box under here. We'll check the fuses in the under the whatever it's called, driver's thing, the wheel that turns the front wheels. Let's go. Action! I can't get this open.
There's a 10p on the floor there, somewhere there. Oh, somebody's pinched it.
Somebody's nicked me 10 pence. 50p. There we go. So we've got a load of fuses in here as well, you can't see them, but I'm going to test them same way. Just with the continuity test.
Yeah.
Difficult to see anything, but I'll go down all of these and then we'll come back once I've tested them. We'll see. I'll tell you if anything's broke. I need a torch now. So we've checked all the fuses with the multimeter on continuity, and every one of them has got continuity. It's beeping on everyone, so it probably is a problem with the back of the fuse box. So what we're going to have to do is the circuit board that's in the fuse box, that gets short. So we're going to have to take the fuse box out. Bit of a nightmare because of just all the plugs in the back of it. It's difficult to get to. It is only one 10mm that holds the actual fuse box in, but it's getting the little connectors out and getting them back in, because they tend to fall to pieces as well. We've had them fall to pieces before I wear them, just like,
Yeah.
Because they've probably never been out before. But hopefully it's something simple on the fuse box. We can clean it and put it back in, and it might fix the problem. This issue has probably been here for a long time, because if you look, you've got front middle, you've got front top. So somebody's been in here before and labelled where these go on this. I mean, they're only giving one place generally, so I don't know why that's happened, but this has been out. So I've got a feeling this might be a problem that has been ongoing with it, and he's selling it with 1 month's MOT before he can solve this problem. It's going to have to come out anyway, and we'll have to have a look. Right, the fuse box is out. Comes out from under there where you've seen us testing it. These are an absolute nightmare to get out the back of it. All of them are plugged in to the back of the fuse box. That's obviously the front. And if we look closely, it's definitely got water damage in there. There. So we're going to have to take the top off this and see what's happening on the inside. So we're going to get the top off this fuse box. I think you've got to get all the fuses out, you know. You've got to get all the fuses out because I'm into the circuit board at the back. So first we're going to have to pull all these fuses out. There's a fuse puller there. Have a nice time doing that. I'm taking a video, but it'll do.
First one.
Got a bit of corrosion,
not looking
stuff
good.
on it, and that's. Oh yeah, that's the bottom. This is the bottom of the fuse box here. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Phone. Final bits removed. I'm eating toast. Excuse my thumbnail and the rest of my nails and hands.
That didn't come out very good, did it?
Oh yeah.
Pull the top off here.
It's got a quick release top. Bang!
That's well stuck in.
And that one. The other one just fell out.
Okay. Got it as well. Have them all out.
No, just that one. SRS one. That's it, now you can pop the top.
Pop the top.
So it's just these tabs on the side. Lift it up over the tabs.
Which is the awkward part because there's so many of them.
Yeah, you can see this has definitely been opened before.
Yeah.
But we'll open it again.
Nearly there.
Nearly open. Moment of truth.
Click back on this side.
That side looks alright.
Apart from there.
Oh no, that side doesn't look alright. All them corroded connectors there. Then I'm going to be making a short. And obviously this is a 2-layer circuit board, so it'll be on the inside of there as well.
Oh, that's shot. That is.
I'm telling you what though, for the amount of corrosion there, for it just to be doing the side lights is funny, eh?
Yeah.
I mean, we've had them corroded where they've been doing no indicators, V flashing, well start, with less corrosion than that.
That's definitely the problem.
We'll still try, I think we should try cleaning it though. What do you think?
Think it's worth doing it? Oh, yeah, we'll clean it all up. We've done it before.
For a bit of electrical cleaner and a toothbrush on it, plug it back in. If it works, it works. If it don't, we get another one.
See, them two there, pointer, them two there, look, are connected with some corrosion between them as well, in between the boards.
What we need to do is go and get some more electrical cleaner and douse it in there. And see what comes of it.
In the meantime, have your cheese on toast.
Hey!
We've just started it, and I've just noticed, and if you can see, in that one there, you can see all the oxidisation, this torch, all the oxidisation in there. So it's a good job I didn't just click them back together. Good advisory, check all of these components, all these plugs before they go back together. And using the electrical spray that we've used before, am I in the right place? You can just spray this in. Missed. All in there. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a bit difficult. And then getting where am I? A brush like this. Oh, there you go. Get it in there. I'm going to do this properly in a minute. We're using 2 hands. Get it all in there and give it a good, really good cleaning. And hopefully we can get it all the contacts clean again. So I'm going to do that now, and I'm going to check all the other plugs before they go back in to make sure that we've got no oxidization. Okay, see you later. Bye.
Right, as you know, we fetched out the other one. We tried cleaning it and put it back in, but it didn't work, so we eventually had to get ourselves a new fuse box. And like we said in the other video, you have to get the same code. We're going to try it now. We've put it in and we've left it in there for 5 minutes just to sort of sync with the car and see what happens. So we're going to put the keys in, we're going to turn it on, and we're going to see if the side lights work. Wish us luck. Let's see them. Ta-da! And this one's got the signal markers on it as well, because it's the side markers there. Should have. Let's have a look. Yeah. Rear ones I'm on as well. So that's all the lights fixed, so that can be ticked off. We need to get a couple of them fuses so we can do the suspension. And whatever else is missing, because obviously missing fuses are not good. So we'll continue doing the work. We think that it was definitely that fuse box in the corner of the car, in the corner of the fuse box, that was all corroded. So like I say, we cleaned that one, it didn't make any difference. And then when we come to, after we'd cleaned that, we did go for the air suspension, we stopped the fuse over. So it wasn't the fuse that was causing a problem with that, it was the corrosion. But like and subscribe, share, and we'll continue doing videos. See you next time.